Hey guys, welcome back to Pandas Data Diaries. Today I want to show you a solution to a common problem that you might have seen before, which is how can you identify breaks in patterns in data frames. So let's assume we have the sample data frame over here, which should follow a certain pattern. So as you might see, we have always blocks of 2 that have the same value in this date field over here. For example, starts with 2021, 0101, 0101, and then 0201, 0201, 0301, 0301. But here we now have a pattern break. So it's 0401 and 0402, not 0401. So these values aren't the same. Then it continues with the standard pattern, so that's fine. And here we have another pattern break. So 0901 and then 1002. So this does not correspond to the pattern that it should. And how do we identify these kind of pattern breaks over here? So let me load this data frame first of all. Okay, and here it's printed out. So this is the same data frame just shown in the nicer format. And you see these blocks of 2 over here and here the first break. So how do we find these breaks? Solution is over here. So first of all, in this special case, we have to convert the date column into a Pandas date column. And then I initialize the flag column. So just df flag and set it to empty string. So this flag column will be filled with the breaking the pattern information in this loop over here. And how we do it is basically you just iterate over the entire data frame from 0 till the end, so the length of the data frame, in steps of 2. So this is the step parameter over here. So it will produce the sequence of like 0, 2, 4, and so on. And so to check if we have reached the end of the data frame, it is this row over here. So it just says if I plus 1 is smaller than the length of the data frame, just do this below operation. And this is the actual interesting part over here. So let's check what it does. If the date column at this block where we're currently iterating, so this is the I, this is the counter over here, doesn't equal the date column I log I plus 1. And this plus 1 is just the second entry in the block that we're iterating. So it's really easy. Just compare these two consecutive rows in this loop. And if they're not equal, then add this flag, like the information that it's breaking the pattern in both of the entries. So in the first entry of this block, I, and the second entry of the block, I plus 1. Both get this entry over here. And if I run this, then it will produce the following output. I'm just printing it over here. So you see, all of these don't have the flag, but here, this is breaking the pattern. And the other entry that we found, yes, also breaking the pattern. So this is actually producing the result that we were looking for. Short, but I hope this was useful for you guys. Thanks for watching and see you again soon on my channel.